Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix your microphone audio only coming through the left ear in OBS. So let's get started. If you've recently connected a new microphone or started using an audio interface and your recordings only play through the left ear, don't worry. This is usually caused by the audio being recorded in stereo instead of mono, and it's very easy to fix. Open OBS Studio and click the Settings button. In the Settings window, select the Audio section from the menu. Look for the Channels option. If it's currently set to stereo, change it to mono. This ensures that your microphone audio is recorded equally in both the left and right channels instead of only one side. After changing the setting, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Now record a short test clip and play it back. Your microphone audio should now be heard through both ears instead of just the left side. If you're still having the issue, make sure your microphone is connected correctly and that your audio interface or recording software isn't forcing the microphone to use only a single stereo channel. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.